Hello guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, we will learn how we can make an odd parity generator within the Proteus. So you can see that our Proteus is open and now we need to click on new project. Now here you need to give the name of your project and we will just write any name like odd parity. You can write any of the name of your own choice. Then click on next, next, next and again next, then finish. Now for odd parity generator, you must have to go to the component mode and to need XNOR gates. So you can take this to input XNOR gate. We will make it a bit big so that we can easily see it. Okay, now we have three NOR gates. So what you need is that you need to put the first NOR gate, XNOR gate output to the input of the second XNOR gate. Then you need to do it the same for the second XNOR gate. So both the outputs are just going into the inputs of the last XNOR gate. Okay, now in order to see the output, we need logic state. Okay, so a logic probe, yeah. It's not the logic state, actually it is the logic probe. So we can attach it to the output. Now we need to take logic state. Okay, now you need to connect this logic state with the inputs, all the four inputs, because it is 4-bit parity generator. Okay, now we have 4 inputs and 1 output. Okay, now we will run it, and how it will work. In odd parity generator, when there is even number of ones, like you can see that when there are even number of 1 logic, now you can see that there are 2 1 logics on the input side, so it is the even number, so we can see that our output is 1. If we change it to the odd one, now it is 3, so it is the odd number, so our output changes to 0. So now you can see that, okay, when we will make it like E1, it is 1, and when we will make 1 logic as output, it is 0. You can also make a truth table which contains like a 0 0 0 0, then 0 0 0 1. Okay, then you can write 1 0 like this, and then 1 1. Okay, and then 1 0 0 and so on. So you can see that your parity bit is generated on the output and it is fine. So now you can simulate this at your Proteus. So thanks for watching this video tutorial.